bro, like ever since Twiza started the Twiza show. Damani mrepa wo botlhe wa ba bolaya jo, like wa ba vitsa ba tla go show nya wa ba bolaya, like yo. There's no rapper who went to that show outdo Twiza, like Twiza phela ba bolaya jo, like mur. Anyway, I saw an episode le reps come on, man. Reptile, is it Reptile? Here's the episode, guys. Like, yo. If you guys want me to upload more episodes, that's why you can comment, then get to upload. I want Mara, check out this episode. Check out this episode. Yo.
Lono Reptile, the outlet dume ngamabhasha. Ngizalo lethembisi kasel dume ngamastaff. Akhona namanyori outlets dume ngamascars. Mara mina ngihlukanga neUber ngidume lonke ikasi. Awuthi ngenza umhlolo njengomuntu ozala inkomo manje rapper mina ngicela nivule indlebe nivala umlomo. The aim is not the fame, ngifudumeza igame ngifaka iflame ngicela ningangiflame manje Philippine.
I wanna pay my respects. The way you flowing akhona eswatra cipher was tighter. The niggas who made it in the game got connect. When I check, you're not just the time I Grama, you're a freestyler, reptile, like a styler, Sakasi and Tech. I heard your brother put you on to rap and even wrote your lyrics. But when you got older, your shoulder got colder than critics. Mangena Guma Cypher, you know and handle your business. How does it feel to be known as Timbisa's illest in the shizness?
Shout out to my brother ngokungifundisa rap. Nami ngaconcentrate strong njenge student yevetsi. Manje ngumfundisi ngoba ngifundisa rap. Mangabe ingqondo igcwele iphansi oza ngikufundisa ijab. Nasifana no speaker, baqala ba Twitter bathi nyasika umzimba wami ikhanda liyashisa. Ngiyakuthemba niyangizwa noma nishoda ngespeaker nalesigubhu siyakhahlela ngisho insimbi
Tala ukhona la ye-space inebusuku nemini chasing the same dream. It may seem ungathi yasikhiphila kule game ini ushota ngani mhlambi platform to perform estagini or ama gatekeeper afuna ukhipha egate.
Irap njenge-train ifuna isporo neplatform. Iskill isikhona iflow ikhona ngishoda ngeplatform. Ngihlale nginwaya ikhanda ngathi ngishoda ngetransport. Abantu kumele bezwe ngishisa ukudlula netransform.
Ngiyakuzwa mpintshi gets harder ungana budget to do radio tours, PR push a project. Tick the list on the bucket, life in a lucky packet. Mara push a Ford jacket, awusali target market cost. Ngapha na ngapha impilo ya krapa krapa ya trapa trapa ya shapa shapa slogo stapa tapa and dibuwa tata tata. You sing for your supper ngapha siyalamba. How you make a living without a panda ngenamba?
Ngihlale uyazi life inamakhala khala ifuna uhlala ukhala ithathe slow njengenkalankala omunye uhlala khala indlela imnyama ijezi lebhakabhaka inyawo zigcwele udaka kahasile uhlala brush umkhala uvuka utheshe makuvuza upeshe ndungakhohlwa umndeni ukhona endlini ufuna ijeje ungavela ukuspende kumele kuqonde igwegwe akusiza ukudla imali ekseni uphuma indlela.
Little conversation about a situation that you were facing. Utsayfan watshontsha ingoma yakho on heavy rotation, and the occasion was when you met at a radio station. Even the nation complaining and contemplating frustration, insinuating you waiting to get in an altercation as protocol. I'm sharing a call about the case and what he and it was a pure coincidence, not imitation, savage humiliation, debating what's your observation.
Ngizama ukukhuphula iflag omunye ungishontshela itrack ikhanda lispani ngoba uthi le track ayifani bafethu angihlanye mhlamba ukutshontsha ispani mara mina ngiyazenzela ngoba ukutshontsha ispani athi ngiyekelisela before nyolala kumasela thila sikhule kuspin ihleba manje kuspin amafan iskili siyaphela baskimez high bahlala basheka inhlek bahlalela ukuhleba.
Okay.